Hello there, my friends. So I was going to install Canva on my phone, but then I realized I don't even know how much room I have on my phone. So here's how you tell how much room you have on your phone. Go to Settings, and then your Apple ID will pop up there and some stuff like that. Go down to General, which is this little gear shaped thing right here. Press that, and then go to iPhone storage. iPhone storage right there. And then there's a little progress bar at the top that'll show you it's grayed out. Now what's happening is the system, the iOS, is trying to figure out the exact, I don't know, not percentage. Yeah, I guess it's percentage of, what your storage is occupied by. Is it files? Is it programs? Is it apps? Is it just the general operating system? And then once these wheels stop spinning, it'll have a graphical representation on the bar of color coded of which type of memory usage is assigned to and how much of each it is. So, but for right now, I know for my purposes, I have a 1 terabyte phone, and I'm using almost 3/4 of it. So it's going to be time for me to break down and get iCloud and store some stuff in the iCloud and pay Apple every month for storage, but which I've been trying to avoid. But anyway, that's how you find out how to do that. So if this video helps you at all, go ahead and smash like, and if you have any more questions, put them in the comments, because I like to hear what you're saying. I hope this video that explained to you the iPhone storage and how to get there was useful to you. So I hope you have a great day, and see you on the next one. Take care.